Pull up. That will make it work.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Anyways, let's just jump on into today's video. So firstly, I'm starting off with moisturize clean canvas, and right here I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready or Photo Finish primer, the white one. That's the one I'm using right there. So I'm just going to apply that all over my face, mostly in the T-zone area, because it is a mattifying primer. Yeah. So after going with the primer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm using the shade 360. And firstly, I'm going to apply it, closer to my jawline with my fingers. To me, it spread the product better, and you don't have to dirty up any more brushes. So when I apply it with my fingers, I find that it apply even smoother, to be honest. So I applied it with my fingers, and I'm blending it out with what do you call that now? What do you call it? Oh my god, it is a foundation brush, but it has a name. I think it's the buff. Listen, I'm using a flat head foundation brush. And you have another name for it, but yeah, this is the name I'm working with for today. So that's what I'm using. Like, girly, look at that blend, and notice I don't put any foundation underneath my eyes. So now I applied the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and what I'm doing here, I'm concealing. I'm not necessarily highlighting, even though that shade is lighter than my foundation shade. I am not necessarily highlighting, I am concealing. There's a difference. Probably in another tutorial I'll tell you guys the difference, but for right now I'm concealing. After, one thing I want to point out, notice how I'm blending my concealer. I'm using the edge of the brush, and I'm just pouncing it onto the skin like I'm blending out an eyeshadow. You notice, if you can pick up that. And right here I'm just dragging it across the eyelid, but notice how I just flick the brush and just blend out that concealer so seamlessly. Like, the way you hold the brush determines how your makeup blend, to be honest. So right here I am bronzing. I'm not contouring, I'm bronzing, guys. Trust me, there's a difference. But as you can see from the shade, it's a red tone, like it has a burnt orange, but it has a red undertone. So that what I'm doing right there, I'm contouring, and notice the areas I place my contour. So what I'm using an angled brush, and I'm going to flick it up and just blend it out. Notice I don't drag the product down, nor do I carry the product up. Right where I place the product, I'm just pouncing that cream bronzer into the skin. Yeah, pretty much. Then I'm going and I'm not contour really, but I'm snatching the nose. I'm giving the nose structure, so she look like she's MJ. You know what I mean, but but that's what I'm doing here. Then right here I'm going to go in and I'm going to highlight. I'm using the shade creamy beige or pure beige, one of them. I decided to go in with a really light shade because I wanted a bright under eye, and because I showed you guys how I blended the concealer previously, I just skipped over that part. Now I'm applying some liquid blush. Notice where I put my blush. Like, there's where you place your products, it can make or break your makeup, and it can also change the shape of your face. Like, girl, look at that skin. Like, come on now. after I apply all my cream products and blend it, I always go on top of it and apply, what do you call this now, setting spray. Oh my god. I go on top of it and I apply setting spray, and then I use back my same foundation brush and I just pound the setting spray into the skin, so my cream basis is just basically set and doesn't move. I mean, if you don't set it with powder, it's going to move, but you know what I mean. Look at that skin. Come on girl, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Look at that skin. Anywho, now I'm applying powders. I believe I set my under eye already, but yeah, I'm just setting the entirety of my face, and then I'm going to go in and bronze up my face, bring back that warmth in my face. And then I believe I took 2 colors out of a Juvia's Place palette and I use that for blush today. Always remember, dolls, everywhere you apply the cream product, always go on top of it and apply powder, because it's going to move. Whether you use setting spray on it or not, it is going to move. Always set with powder. Here you girls applying blush. Like one time I couldn't get my wear blush, you know. Honestly, I couldn't get my wear blush or put colors on my cheek and put on a red lipstick. But look at me. But can we take a minute just to just admire the skin? Look at that skin. Don't play with it. But yeah guys, remember to follow me on IG and remember to subscribe. Like girl, I feel herself like okay. Remember to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Yes ma'am. If you guys want a eyebrow tutorial, let me know down in the comment section and I'll give you guys one. Even one time I couldn't get my lips because I have really full lips and I'm always like, me lining my lip is just ridiculous. But look at me now. But let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section though. Like what you took from it, what you learned from it. You know, tell me what will you apply in your next makeup routine. Let me know down in the comment section. Let's have a conversation down there. But like girl, I can't stop talking about that skin, man. Look at the skin. It's skinning. I believe this is a LA Girl lipstick. I don't know what's the exact shade, but it's more of a, it's not a true red, it's more of a berry red with a hint of purple underneath. I probably can't see that on video, but I can tell. But yeah, this is so beautiful. Remember to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Let me know you guys' thoughts in the comment section, and also let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Yeah.